Pixel Pioneers is an event in Bristol for web designers, developers, anyone really building with the web and kind of involved in that industry. It's kind of a community event, but it's increasingly drawing people from further and further away to be here.
So there's about 200 front-end developers and designers coming to the conference, and it's really a friendly atmosphere. It's a good opportunity to network and for sponsors who are hiring to chat to people.
So we sponsored the event purely because of the audience that they get here. I mean, these are some of the best sort of web designers and developers from around the world. People travel in for this conference.
The talks, the curation of the talks for me is spot on. It covers all the different areas of web design. You get a really rounded picture by the end of the day about what's happening in the industry.
It's been a lovely future-facing conference with people who are truly experts at their domain. It's just been a great time making friends, visiting Bristol, and learning from peers.
I've run it since 2017, I think now. So this is the seventh one in Bristol. There were two in Belfast as well. And for the first time, we are here at the harbour side in the Anofini. It's a new venue for us, and I'm quite excited about the whole vibe. It's a bit more professional, a bit more mature. It's a more grown-up event now.
I don't think there are many more approachable events. I think they're really nice at encouraging people to mix and blend and talk to each other.
I think we've now been back 4 or 5 times. It's a no-brainer to come back because it is such a great event with such a great group of people, and people who organise it are lovely as well.
I've been coming to conferences for, well, best part of 15 years now. Honestly, I have to say, this is a really nice size, really friendly vibe. It's in Bristol, which if you know it, then you'll love it already. If you don't know it, then just come and experience it, and I'm sure you will.
I've been coming for a few years now. Wonderful people, wonderful audience. Organization really cares about the experience of the attendees, and it's just really lovely. It was a lovely day.